The most popular burner that we carry, it's 400 BTUs, so I can put a bechamel sauce, like a cheese sauce or a glaze, and I can go as high as 65,000 BTUs. And then if I had family and friends over, if I want to expand, I can take out and put a wok, integrate a wok system inside of it for a quick meal solution. This is their deep storage drawer. I'm a pretty big guy, but the sales rep would always come in and stand in it and show you how strong it was, and I can't do that at this point in time. But it also stores their griddle, it stores their wok. So when the customer's done with the cooking and entertaining, everything goes into its place.
So is that a drawer that you could also use underneath a Green Acre or a Primo?
It is. It's something that we see a lot of specifiers put in there because of the weight loads and hard lines that support the ceramic side from the plates, the cast iron pieces. Yes, great comment.
Right. I liked those.
Yeah. Pot filler faucet that you can use. It's outdoor rated. That's really common with this particular company.
So what does outdoor rated mean?
Outdoor rated is going to be resistant from sub temperatures, something that's going to handle salt pool systems. It's a marine grade stainless that's going to resist pitting and rusting. And a lot of your components that you see now are going to be 304 stainless. What does that mean to the customer? It has a lot of chromium and nickel in that. That's something that Claffey sells only as marine grade. It's what we sell only as marine grade. That's going to be a higher quality stainless and resist corrosion in the outdoor elements.
So like we had a freeze a couple of weeks ago. Okay. How do you winterize something like this so it performs well?
You can go into that and I can go into some builders' comments and how the installers will put armor flex and prepare for that. Make sure that your sinks are on inside walls. Make sure we have termination points like water shutoffs, home runs, what we call for all of our electricity, all of our water. When we winterize something, we want to go to the source, we want to turn it off, but also we want to open up the valve system on the faucets so air can flow through the plumbing and the water that's captured in there doesn't expand and break. So that's something to think about whenever you do a kitchen. Where's my home run at? If I do any type of lighting or any type of plumbing, where do I go to access everything to do preventative maintenance? So.
Okay.
Bar sink systems, very popular. One of our most popular sink systems that Alfresco makes. It's an insulated sink, and then you can hold ice in that. You can use it as a washout, but also it's an entertainment sink system. So it's got a speed rail for mixers, bottle caps for domestic and import beers, and then carafe for produce, or if not, wine bottles, however you want to set up your entertainment style. So
that's a little bit different than the prep center, or is that the prep center?
This one here is a sink. It's a bartender sink, and then the prep center is something we don't show that Alfresco makes that has an ice well inside of it that you can put your cheeses, marinades in there whenever you prep to do either a baked potato bar, or if you do pizzas, it'll be your prep area for pizzas.
Okay. So is this storage that's underneath it, is this another sealed one?
Going back to your point, how do I access the sink as far as winterize it? This would be for winterizing, and then accessing actually the J-trap that's underneath the sink.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But that's not a sealed.
This is not. You'll find it on sink entrances that will always be open so we can access the J-trap and the plumbing.
Yeah, it totally makes sense.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, cool.